Today I'm going to be staying in a historic cottage at Riverbend Cottages in Graaff-Reinet, South Africa. My plan is to document my stay at Riverbend Cottages. I will show you a tour of the Airbnb and everything there is to do here. Welcome to Cottage 3 at Riverbend Cottages. Let's go check it out. Wow, I really love this cottage located right here in Graaff-Reinet, South Africa. This cottage has a tasteful mix of historic character and modern day comforts. If you want to come stay here, this property has 4 contemporary styled self-catering units. If you want to check that out, the link will be down in the description below at a really great price for everything that you get here. So, let's get into the tour. You will arrive at Riverbend Cottages, drive in and park at your cottage. We parked at Cottage 3 under the grapevine, which is a fruitful touch. Before going inside, the first thing you'll notice is the front patio. There is this bench with 2 pillows, it's pretty comfortable. There's this table with 4 chairs, it's really comfortable over here, and if you want to sit and enjoy a meal while looking at the grapevine over there, you can cook something on the braai. This braai looks pretty rusted and it looks like it was built in the 1900s, but I'm sure it will still do the job. If you want to make a braai, there is some braai wood over here that you can use to make a fire. There's this table over here that you can use to have a smoke. I just thought that because there's an ashtray over here, but don't smoke, it's not good for you. That is everything outside, so let's make our way inside. Wow, welcome inside Cottage 3. Did just walk in, I know the lighting was bad. Look, here it's me, what's up? The first thing you'll notice is the kitchen. So let's start here. This is a very basic kitchen with a fridge, stove, oven. There's also a little box over here that has everything you need to make an instant coffee or tea, just so you know. And there's a sink over here as well. There's also a kettle, toaster, and microwave. And I'm ducking like this so that you can see the things behind me. It worked. We're in the Karoo here and it's a water sparse area, so please be aware of your water usage when you come visit. But because of this, in case of a water crisis, they have these containers of water from the farm for washing and fresh water for you to drink. You can sit on one of these chairs and enjoy a meal on this wooden countertop, which looks great. Moving on to the main living area, there are 2 couches. This one is actually really comfortable and it's quite weird. The armrests over here disconnect, they're connected by Velcro, so yeah, it's pretty interesting. Goes in half if you can see that behind me. Cool. This couch is also really comfortable, but I don't think it's the best spot to sit if someone wants to watch TV, because you could easily block this TV, so I'd rather choose somewhere else to sit, like the desk over here. You can sit here, maybe do some work while you get cooled down by this fan, and if the lights go off because of load shedding, because we live in South Africa, there's this torch that you can use. Pew pew. Before we go into the bedroom, you'll see on the wall here there's a bedpan, and apparently what this is it was used to heat up the bed. So you would heat up some coal, put it on the pan, move it around the bed, and it would heat it up. I thought this was pretty interesting, so I thought I'd share. I hope you enjoyed that little fact. Let's go check out the bedroom. This is a clean bedroom with a king size bed. Obviously I have to do a bed test, and that wasn't as soft as I thought it was gonna be. Pretty hard bed, but I'm sure it'll do the job. Hopefully we'll get some sleep tonight. They leave towels and soap on the bed so you don't have to bring your own. There are bedside tables on both sides of the bed, and they each have their own bedside lamp. And finally there is an aircon in here to keep the room cool because it gets boiling over here in the Karoo. Moving on to the bathroom, there is a shower, toilet, and basin, which is all you really need. That's everything inside, so let's make our way outside to the outside patio. There's not much to this outside area, but from this side you will see the history behind this building. It's really interesting to see. Then if you have a look at the view, you'll see the rest of the neighborhood and views of the mountains in the Karoo National Park, which is actually on the other side of that mountain. On the other side of the mountain behind me, there is the Valley of Desolation, which is a viewpoint which is a must-see. I've been there a couple of times and I highly recommend you guys should go visit. It is beautiful. So that is everything at Riverbend Cottages and in Graaff-Reinet. I hope you've enjoyed the tour and hopefully I've influenced you guys to come stay in the future. If you enjoy videos like this, please give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers. Cool. Pretty good. I think that was a good take. Whoa, almost just battled. Excuse me, sorry. Bit gross. This is pretty cool. GoPro. Woo. I'm blinding you. Can you see? Gotta close the door over here. No see. You cannot see yet. No looky. Go watch the camera. Dude almost took on my camera, bro. That's what happens when you leave your camera in the street. Sketch.